Hello everybody. As you can see, this is a break in my videos. I did lose some video last night. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was too tired when I was looking at it and I accidentally deleted it. So I did lose a big section of this head bolt removal. Now there's plenty of time to see it, the time lapse and sped up to see me getting this bolt out. But I did want to come in here and go back over and review everything to make sure that you understand exactly what's happening. Again, okay, I'm soaking wet again, but I had to run out and get some stones for a Dremel. And the reason for that is the top of the bolt is sitting at an angle. So I was able to drill through the center using that center punch, but the bolt's like this. So every time I try to come down in with a bigger drill bit, it just breaks the tip off. So now I'm going to try to use a Dremel and grind it down. So stay tuned and we'll show you what we come up with. So we still got a good hole there. Bought this and we're gonna see if I can't get a grip on it right now. I doubt it though, because the hole's not big enough. And what's I'm running into a problem with, I gotta get it drilled out to this. But this guy right down there has so much of an angle on that top bolt, I just don't know if I'm gonna get it. Let me try that bigger one just again. This is that one with the broken tip. Hopefully we don't have anything break again, but This is bolt extraction, and you know how that goes. We'll just take it easy. So it instantly broke the other side. So now they're both broken off, but that may be an advantage. I might be able to start it and get it working that way. So the drill bit sucks because the two edges broke off of it, but it looks like I've gotten rid of my high sides there, so I might possibly be able to get another drill bit, which will be my last drill bit that I have until Monday to get this out. So I'm gonna keep trying to use this and we'll see what happens. There's our hole. So I'm gonna switch to a fresher drill bit to see if I can't snag it, because all my edges broke off the other one. And that's how the other ones came out. This one here did not. So I'm hoping I can snag it. If not, I'm gonna have to use an extraction tool. This is the bad drill bit that broke both edges. New drill bit. Here we go. So once again, it broke the two edges off. That's crazy, but we'll try to drill a little bit more with a fresher drill bit. All right, time to try the extractor. I'm definitely at the bottom. I don't want to go any further. I'm not sure exactly how straight I am. I'm almost centered, but we do not want to hurt anything else. So let's get the extractor out and see what happens. A couple light taps. All right, here we go. Let's hope. It's already soft. I know it's not going to come out. Just spinning around. So definitely an issue. Try that one more time. Yeah, just spinning. I'm almost curious if I grind this down and get a little bit more in there, but I can see where it's cutting in here and it just is not working. I hate cutting extractors down, but I guess that's my next step. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back again. I trimmed off this extractor a slight bit, hoping that I can get it to attach in there. I don't know if I just didn't have a deep enough hole for that long extractor or not. One more try. If not, we got other problems. And I'll have to inform the customer that the third time is not the charm. And there you have it. It's out. Unbelievable. I'm so happy that happened. Customer is on a tight budget, and now I just got to figure out what's going on with this block. So why is this thing breaking off 3 bolts? I have no idea. I think it has to, the customer said it was completely factory, so if it had a broken bolt at the factory, I don't understand how it didn't get caught. But yeah, so there you go, it's out. And if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna do a full description underneath and probably do some voiceover in areas that you see and show you how I got that out. All right, and thank you for watching, and hit click like and subscribe for anything that I can screw up in the future. Thanks again. All right, so this is the final video, to wrap this up. Basically, got it out. No damage to the threads at all, luckily. And these are the tools I use, so we'll break it down for you. We got a Harbor Freight center punch, 1/8 inch, 3/16. This one is not a quarter, but I forgot what it was. I'll list it below, or I'll put it up on the screen. This is almost a quarter. I use Pro Magic Pro Tap every time I drill. Just the thing for me to do. It also collects all the damn, I'm losing my mind today. All the material, it kind of groups it all together so you can clean it up easier. This is what broke off. You can see how long that bolt, the part that did break off is. This is the 3rd one they break in the same spot, so there's got to be something going on. I'm going to show another video. We're going to count how many times the threads go down, and that's the extractor I used. Now that's the one I cut down. I like these extractors because they're soft. They're not brittle, and they don't break. They just usually give way. That way you don't have to try to get one of them out. But that's the tools I used. That's the block number 3. 3rd time's the charm, I guess. I'm hoping that I can figure out what's wrong with this block and fix it before we go ahead and put this head back on.